Discover the delight of 3-potato pancake dish, a simple, satisfying, and uniquely tasty treat. Are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure that transforms 3 humble potatoes, eggs, and flour into a mouth-watering masterpiece? Look no further than this easy and delicious recipe that promises to redefine the way you view regular potatoes. Get ready to be amazed by a burst of flavors that will captivate your taste buds and make you wonder why you haven't tried this before. With a twist on traditional potato dishes, you're in for a delightful surprise that's perfect for lunch or dinner. The ingredients you'll need: 3 potatoes, 1 onion, 1 pepper, of your choice, 100 grams of cheese, approximately 3.5 ounces, spring onions, salt, black pepper, sunflower oil, for frying. For the pancakes, 2 eggs, salt, 1/2 tablespoon sugar, 500 milliliters milk, about 2 cups or 17 fl, 200 grams flour, around 11 tablespoons or 7 ounces, sunflower oil for frying. For the dough, 3 eggs, salt, 3 tablespoons flour, additional ingredients, breadcrumbs, butter, for frying, creating culinary magic. 1. Preparing the potatoes. Begin by peeling and grating the 3 potatoes. Place the grated potatoes in a bowl. 2. Adding flavors. Finely chop the onion and pepper and add them to the grated potatoes. Grate the cheese and finely chop the spring onions. Toss the grated cheese and chopped spring onions into the potato mixture. 3. Seasoning sensations. Sprinkle in salt and black pepper to taste, infusing the mixture with rich flavors. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until they're evenly combined. 4. Crafting the pancake batter. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 eggs and add a pinch of salt and sugar. Gradually pour in the milk while continuing to whisk. Gradually add the flour, whisking until you achieve a smooth and consistent batter. 5. Forming the dough. In yet another bowl, whisk 3 eggs and add a pinch of salt. Gradually incorporate 3 tablespoons of flour, creating a dough that's pliable and workable. 6. Time for assembly. Take a handful of the potato mixture and flatten it in your hand. Place a small portion of the dough in the center of the flattened mixture. Fold the potato mixture over the dough, forming a pocket-like shape. Gently shape the potato pockets into small pancakes. 7. Cooking to perfection. Coat the potato pancakes with breadcrumbs, giving them a delightful crunch. Heat a skillet with a generous amount of sunflower oil and butter for frying. Carefully place the potato pancakes into the hot oil, frying them until they're golden brown on both sides. 8. Serving the sensation. Once the potato pancakes are crispy and irresistible, remove them from the skillet. Serve these delectable treats piping hot, accompanied by a side salad or your favorite dipping sauce. The grand finale. Prepare to be astonished by the remarkable taste transformation of these 3 potato pancakes. With the blend of flavors from the potatoes, cheese, onions, and peppers, combined with the crispy texture of the pancakes, your taste buds are in for an extraordinary journey. Whether you're enjoying this dish for lunch or dinner, the delightfully unique taste will have you and your family asking for seconds. It's time to bring joy to your kitchen and create an exceptional meal that redefines the ordinary. So embrace this culinary adventure and savor the magic of flavors that only this recipe can deliver.